There are many elements of the periodic table with different properties and different attraction and different many things, and it is arranged by trends, basically. So essentially, there are many different things like electronegativity, ionic radius, ionization, and many more. The periodic table is actually arranged in which you can pinpoint how electronegative, how the ionization rate, which one is, or what will be bigger than what depending on the trend. So the rows are going down the rows are going left to right, and the group is going up and down. The metals are on the left, non-metals on the right, and left to right is by how many protons they have, and the middle is alkaline metals. So force of attraction, how much the electrons are attracted to the nucleus. So it increases going up because there are fewer energy levels. And then it will also increase going right because the nucleus gains protons and the atom has the same number of energy levels as you move across. Then the atomic radius increases going down because there are more energy levels of electrons, and increases going left because as you move across right to left, an atom loses a positively charged proton and its electrons become slightly less tight. Ionic radius increases for anions because they gain an electron, and decreases for cations because they lose an electron, or cations. The amount of ionization energy increases going right because there are more protons in the nucleus pulling in electrons, so it requires more energy, and going up because there are fewer energy levels and less shielding, so the outer electrons are more tightly held. Metallic reactivity increases going left because left metals are on the left and they have fewer protons. Increases going down because there is more shielding, which means outer electrons are easier to lose. And then lastly, electronegativity. And that is the tendency of an atom to attract a shared electron in a chemical bond. It increases going right as well because there are more protons in the nucleus, and increases going up because there are fewer energy levels. So a lot of these are the same, like they kind of have the same trend because of the same things when they're either going left and down or right and up usually, depending on what they are, because of the amount of sublevels they have, how many electrons and how many levels. Basically, all that will decide all of these factors. And the periodic table, like I said, is set up so that they can be identified based on where they are on the periodic table. So that is it for this section, and I hope it was helpful.